video. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
So
how are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yes, I am also great. Thanks for asking. So, how is your journey going on?
My journey going little bit monotonous because I'm in hometown, so I'm not doing anything, only home chores. So that's why.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely. If we are homes, because we are a habit to do something. So sometimes we feeling bored that time.
Yes, yes, yeah. So and how about your channel going?
Uh, not not that much good, but yeah, still I'm try to growing because that's not in our hands. Because we
Yes.
want to work only for that.
So your channel monetize?
No, no, because in past 2 months I'm not working well on that because yeah, in my home my mother-in-law's not well that times, so that time a whole time I give to my mother-in-law that time. So that's the reason I'm not uploading that time. Only my I'm going practice on that, not regularly update because I stop my YouTube journey that time. You can say.
Yeah, that's why I didn't watch your videos last. Yeah, actually, so many dates. Yeah, I didn't watch your video. Okay,
Yeah, because
that's
yeah,
why.
in our house, if somebody is not well, so we have to take care more that time, even with the take care of food and with the medicine. That's the reason.
Mother of your mother-in-law.
What you said? I can't hear properly.
Who? Your mother or your mother-in-law? Who?
Mother-in-law.
Okay, okay. And how is now she?
Now she okay, and now is now his hometown. Because here she's came for only for treatment here for 2 months. Now is well.
Yeah, because first our responsibilities matter. First our responsibility, then after that what we want to that thing we have to do. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, that's the reason. Yes. But yeah, so whenever I get that time, so that time I'm practicing on audio call that time. Usually I used to audio call that time. And
Okay.
apart from that, I'm watching content and sometimes reading. This kind of thing I'm regular I'm doing that time.
Okay. I think I didn't practice the 4 months in between. I didn't do practice. Sometime I connected, otherwise I didn't. But when I came here, then after 15 days, means last 15 days ago, I have started practicing, but not regularly as also. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
Okay. Still, are you checking tuition on tutor?
No, no, no. I'm not taking. I only took 19 session there in English Yaari. Yeah.
Okay. I thought that
Yeah.
you are working on that.
No, no, no. Yeah.
Okay. Have you feel that your fluency is growing?
No, no. I didn't. I'm feeling I'm not improving because I'm not. I have been not doing practice last 4 months, so that's why. And now in hometown, so totally I'm listening only my mother tongue. So that's why I feel okay. My English is I think decreasing. Means I'm not improving anything. So that's why I feel little bit sad. How can I do? What should I do? How can I do practice like this? So I'm thinking, but only I'm thinking, but I'm not doing anything myself. Yes, I have more time, but I'm not doing anything. I don't know what happened.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree because yeah, we are change our living patterns. Very difficult to grab these all things on the regular time and writing on our level.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
so that
Actually, I'm going to teach. I'm going to take classes. I'm going to start taking classes very soon. Yeah, here
oh
because if I do not do any other work, only home chores, I can do easily that.
yes.
So simultaneously, I want to do something. So that's why I'm trying here in my hometown.
Start coaching classes.
Not to coaching like a speaking class, only speaking class, basic speaking class. Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm able to only teach basic, because now I'm not advanced level. I am not. I don't know I'm which is level, but I'm only basic level. I know, so I can teach in hometown. I can teach basic level. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm able to teach because grammar rule and models, each and everything I know. Only while speaking, sometime my sentence here and there I'm fumbling. I think I don't know, but I realize sometime. But yeah, basic is okay. We have to teach them grammar, models, well tense, and we know that thing also means I know that thing means I'm thinking while teaching I will also learn. So that's why.
yes. Yeah. If we are doing something, so with that we are teaching, with that we are learning. So in front of again we are something watch something in front of. So we can't forget that. Yes.
Yes,
I
yes.
correct.
And before teaching, I will do study also. Means tomorrow what I want to do, I have to teach. So tomorrow, so before I definitely I will do study. So definitely I will also learn. So that yeah. Just second something.
So could you describe how is your around area? Means do you feel okay with them or not?
I feel okay. I feel okay, but I don't want to go anywhere. I don't like actually, and here rainy season also going on. So, but I would like to show you. See, just a second. See my mother-in-law. This is my hometown. You can,
Yeah.
yeah, my village, my front of my house. This is my house actually here,
Okay.
and front of my house. This thing. Yes.
Mm. Yeah.
So here, if I go anywhere, so I can come here by the auto directly here in
Yeah.
front of house. Yeah,
Yes. I
I'm feeling good, but I'm not doing anything regarding this language, so that's why I feel sad and monotonous. So
Okay, so definitely you have a chance, to take classes as well as you grow yourself
yeah.
because in village, I must say that there is no involvement of English. So you have to create on there. It's
Yes,
very big for the kids there because they easily didn't get that involvement there.
yes, and oh my god, and I realize also. Just second, my video. Yeah. Uh, I realize also here no one speak like me. So that's why I want to motivate them. If I
Yeah,
can, so why not you can? You have to start also. I want to motivate them. Yeah.
yeah, definitely. Yes, of course. In the rural area, I must say that we have a lot of opportunity if regarding teaching because
Yes.
easily they don't get environment better spoken class in compared to city.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
given some knowledge about that whatever we have, so definitely very beneficial for them. So definitely
Yes.
we want that. This is good for
Yes.
us and also them because yeah, we are feeling bored sometimes in at afternoon, so sometimes we doing some creative, so it is good for us.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. And
especially
last year my children was taking a spoken class. So not this area, not this means this area, this place, another place. So they had to go by the auto, and there, every day means there is 50 rupees ticket uh, by the auto. Okay, so
mm,
4 months I paid fees there. 4 month, yeah, means 1 month 2,000 rupees. 1 month
oh,
2,000 rupees. So 4 month, yeah,
spoken classes there.
spoken classes. But then they didn't learn anything there. They didn't learn anything. They're not able to tell them. They're not able to introduce themselves. They're not able
Oh,
to do. Yeah.
only they are focusing on teaching some grammar rules and whatever they are bookish language. Only they teach, I think, bookish language there.
Yes, I think. So
Not for
I will be take only 500 rupees. Then I will try. So yeah, I'm thinking.
yeah. If you within a a limit, we are teach more that very beneficial for them. And day by
Yes.
day they are increasing. If
Yes.
students have experience, they are comparing our classes with the others, so they are initiate that and definitely increase the students.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Definitely. And I want to ask you. Means you when your mother-in-law was sick, so you didn't do practice. So how many days you didn't do practice?